Since the 2008 international financial crisis, the Hengtong Group has maintained a positive growth trend, becoming the largest leading enterprise in optical communication and power transmission industry, and one of the top 500 enterprises in China. So far, Hengtong has set up more than 30 subsidiaries in 9 provinces and cities nationwide, with Hengtong Optic-electric and Hengtong Wire and Cable Technology being listed on the domestic main stock exchange board, Singapore and Hong Kong exchange separately. Over the past 20 years, the development of Hengtong has attracted widespread attention of the Communist Party of China, CCP, and the government as well as overseas markets. Becoming the member of China Enterprise Confederation, China Federation of Industrial Economics, China Chamber of International Commerce, China International Chamber of Commerce for Private Sector. Mr. Cui Genliang, the national model worker and the chairman of the board of directors, attended the APEC meeting and other major activities with national leaders repeatedly. Following the implementation of the national strategy closely, Hengtong chose the path of development to build high-end industry, high-end market, and high-end technology. By accelerating the innovation drive and implementing the transformation and upgrade, it has formed 3 strategic emerging industry chains and 2 globally competitive ecological industrial parks, become the excellent example for the transformation and development of national innovative enterprises and national private enterprise. Hengtong has formed an optical spectrum of companies covering the production of optical fiber, optical cable, and optical network devices, thus enabling these industry supply chains. Each of the 3 parts has 30 million kilometers core capacity, holding a quarter share of the Chinese market. In addition, Hengtong is the only national enterprise with original intellectual property rights, breaking the monopoly of foreign technology. Based on this fact, Mr. Li Xueyong, the governor of Jiangsu province, praised Hengtong as pride of Jiangsu's private enterprises. With strong systematic developments and comprehensive abilities, Hengtong produces special cables for automobile, aviation, high-speed rail, China Telecom, and China Mobile. Hengtong achieved the number of 1 pole position in the industry for consecutive years. Power transmission cables, having a complete industrial chain covering from MV, high voltage to ultra voltage, from electric power cable, communication cable to optical and power composite cable, from land cable, submarine cable to special cable. Hengtong independently developed ultra-high-pressure tower technology, top-ranking submarine cable wharf, and the core products of ultra-high-voltage grid, entering the thermal energy industry on a land starting point. Hengtong pushes forward the construction of environmentally friendly and resource-saving park. Famous for its high quality of construction, Hengtong became the leading brand in the real estate sector in southern Jiangsu by developing upmarket flats such as the Wuyue series and Chang'an series. To alleviate the financing pressure of small and micro businesses, Hengtong has integrated into the modern financial services industry and promoted the process of urban-rural integration. Hengtong pays significant attention on promoting 3-in-1 strategy and 12-character personnel plan, which focuses on high-end and high-tech talented persons, and transform personnel advantages to competitive advantages for our industry. Hengtong has successfully undertaken approximately 150 scientific programs, both at provincial and ministerial levels. To date, Hengtong has 1,176 national authorized patents and has held or been involved in making 61 national or industrial standards. Additionally, Hengtong also owns significant market share with products which have impact and prestige value. The products of Hengtong are largely used in broadband China, all-optical network, extra high-voltage smart grid, aerospace, high-speed railway, marine communication power, and military navigation equipment, and other advanced application areas. Hengtong was awarded contracts by PLA, General Reserve Department, when Tiangong 1 and Shenzhou 9 were connecting with each other. In-house designed gyroscope products and special cables have been successfully integrated into China's national defense. The OPGW products are exported to the Amazon region of South America, where they achieved 2 world best records. We believe that transformation comes from creativity, and transformation leads to development, which helps Hengtong stand out from other companies in Jiangsu. We believe that corporate social responsibility is the number of duty of our company. Hengtong has been the major taxpayer in Suzhou and Jiangsu over the years. Over 400 million yuan was donated to charity events, such as improving poverty and helping disabled people. This resulted in Hengtong Charity Foundation being founded by the Ministry of Civil Affairs. Hengtong has been widely praised for charitable activities, and the company has been repeatedly awarded the China Charity Award, which is the highest award for charity. Chairman Geng Liangsui has been listed as one of the top 10 philanthropists of China on multiple occasions. Currently, Hengtong has established more than 20 overseas marketing and service subsidiaries, together with R&D centers which have also been built in Brazil and India. The company products are in service in more than 80 countries and regions. Overseas revenues growth has been annually maintained by more than 50%, which takes Hengtong to the leading position as a provider of communication and power transmission systems globally. The company objectively is to make Hengtong a worldwide famous brand and an excellent and successful international enterprise. Hengtong has formulated a 3-step plan and an international standard, which was praised by Secretary of Jiangsu Provincial Party Committee, Mr. Luo Zhijun.
怎么变成国际形象？来，这个标准也可以做参考。
It is believed that the day of achieving the goals is soon coming. Promoting 3 transformations and executing 3 combinations meet the Hengtong spirits of always reach forward, always reach for the best, always reach for high goals, which helps Hengtong become an international enterprise. The company employees are determined to make Hengtong an internal and international enterprise and to create more value for the prosperity of civilization of the world.